Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. The world of fitness trackers and outdoor wearables is abuzz with speculation. Today, we're diving deep into a rumor that has hearts racing, the potential demise of the Garmin Epix line. Buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because this is one you won't want to miss. As you know, leaks are a regular occurrence in the tech industry. While Garmin does an admirable job keeping their developments under wraps, sometimes retailers jump the gun. This year seems no different. Farewell, Epix. The rise of the OLED Fenix. Two major points stand out in this rumor mill: the introduction of a lower-priced Fenix E model and the glaring absence of the Epix line. The Epix, with its beloved OLED screen and impressive battery life, seemed to be Garmin's flagship on the rise. So what happened? Social media whispers about the Epix's cancellation were swirling for a while, and it appears there might be truth to them. Here's my take on this intriguing development. Leaked listings spark speculation. A retailer called Multitronic accidentally published product pages for the new Fenix watches, and the details were surprising to say the least. These since-removed pages listed 4 Fenix 8 models in 3 sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, alongside a curious addition, a Fenix E in 47mm. The legitimacy of this leak is bolstered by product codes and seemingly accurate pricing, considering the current economic climate. The launch window hinted at in these pages, late August announcement, early September release, suggests we're nearing the official reveal. Interestingly, a Reddit user unearthed a screenshot from another website corroborating this timeline with an August 31st launch date. A strategic shift, OLED across the board? Remember the Epix Gen 2? It was Garmin's first foray into OLED displays for their flagship watches. This time around, the plot might be thickening, my guess. Garmin is making a strategic shift towards OLED as its primary display technology. This theory is supported by the possibility of all 3 Fenix 8 models sporting OLED screens. The lower-priced Fenix E, on the other hand, would likely retain the MIP display currently used in the Fenix 7 series and its predecessors. There's even speculation that the E moniker could signify the heir to the Endura line, making perfect sense considering the lower price point. Streamlining the lineup, a long-awaited move. The Fenix E's price tag suggests the focus on adventure and outdoor activities, potentially sacrificing some premium smartwatch features like EKG or LTE connectivity. Wishful thinking, perhaps. The top-tier functionalities would likely reside in the Fenix 8, making it the ultimate do-it-all tool for outdoor enthusiasts and fitness trackers alike. In this scenario, the Epix brand might be phased out in favor of the more established Fenix name. After all, the Epix was essentially a Fenix with an OLED display. From a functionality standpoint, not much would be lost. Consolidation for clarity? Garmin has often been criticized for having a bloated product lineup, causing confusion for casual consumers. This rumored consolidation, potentially eliminating both the Epix and Enduro branding, could be a step towards a more streamlined approach. Your thoughts matter. As a Garmin user myself, having owned Forerunners, Fenixes, and now my trusty Epix, I prioritize technological advancements and top-notch quality over branding. However, I'm curious to hear your thoughts on this rumor. Stay tuned for future tech discussions, and thanks for joining me on this journey through technology in the future.